What's up, traders? Welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video we're just going to do a quick trade recap on Nasdaq. So today I took a buy on Nasdaq and it was a good trade. I closed it in profits, and yeah guys, I called it a day. So I'm just gonna break it down to you, the reason why I took this trade today, and basically like the reason behind the trade, the setup that I took, and then what made me buy Nasdaq today. So what we can see here, we can begin by seeing price, the opening price here. As you can see, price shot down. This was during Asian session. So basically we were sleeping, most people were sleeping, and most people don't trade the Asian session. I also don't trade the Asian session, so I don't expect price to move during the Asian session most of the time. But today it moved. We had the opening price, which is the opening of the week and the opening of Monday, and then price shot down. So why did price go down? It went down because they wanted to take out the stops that they left on Friday here. So price shot down. After shooting down, it retraced a little bit, gave us this high, you see. So after giving us this high, it shot down again. So we can take this as the first market cycle push. So it's the first push, this one, and then this is the second push. And then after price gave us this low right again, or I can just say this low, because we had a consolidation inside this price action here. And then price continued to go down because it's very bearish, as you can see. So the signs are there that the price wants to go lower in the market. And remember, price is doing all of this while on the daily time frame, Nasdaq is very, very bullish. So you have to take note of that when you make decisions on the lower time frames. So price went down with the first push, second push, and then gave us another high here. So these two highs, this one and this one, we can use them as a point of reference where price is gonna come back if it ever reverses at the low. So after it gave us the third push, so after the third push, that's when we can expect a reversal in the market most of the time. So if price moves like this, first push, second push, and then third push, expect a reversal at that low or maybe at that high. So we got this low of the day here. So I couldn't enter a buy at this low of the day because it wasn't my interbank entry level. And then the reason being that the Asian range was very, very big. So each and every single day when I trade, I look for Asian, I expect the Asian session to be small because I don't expect much activity from the bankers, the market at that time. So in this case today, it was very big. The range was very big, the Asian range. And then meaning that my interbank levels are going to be far, far away from these price levels. So I can't expect price to get there because already Nasdaq has covered a big range using the Asian session and the London session. So after that, we got a reversal. We can just say it's a New York reversal, but then it happened around London 10:30. We got the low of the day. So a low of the day and a high of the day is mostly formed during the London session. So most of the time, what I tell my students is that if you see a low of the day being formed during the London session, you have to buy for that day. And then if you see the high of the market being formed during the London session, you have to sell. So it's simple as that. And then after that, we got a swing low, and then price breached this candlestick here. So that was my signal that the market wants to reverse to the upper side of the market, wants to go up. So what I did, I just waited, and then we had a consolidation. After I saw this consolidation, I just entered inside here a buy, and then put my stop loss below the low of the day. And then immediately this candlestick was at 15-day, which is the New York open. Immediately with one big candlestick, price went up, took out this high here that I set during the London session. And then after that, we have this high again. They took it out, and then we can expect price to go higher to take out this other high here. So it's basically like that. You have to expect these things. And the reason why I bought was mainly because Nasdaq is bullish on the daily time frame. So basically it's in a bullish trend. So every move going down is an opportunity for me to buy. So I hope that was clear. It was a clear trade breakdown or a recap. So right now, Nasdaq is going to continue to go higher. Basically, take out this high here. And then tomorrow, we might see it going higher again. And then giving us another setup. So overall, this was a good trade. Because it didn't, like, even the drawdown was small. Because it just played around this consolidation here. And then we got market expansion to the upper side. So after that, I just closed around here or somewhere and then called it a day. So most of the time when you're trading, you have to try to simplify things for yourself. Don't try to make it difficult. Don't just look at what price is doing. If price is going down, it is going down because the market is always right most of the time. So let me just say 100% of the time, the market is always right. So you just have to follow what the market is doing and then adapt with the market. So if price is going down like this and then the daily is bullish and then I expect to sell, I'm going against the trend. But if on the daily time frame the market is bullish and then I buy, I'm going with the trend. So you just always have to trade with the trend and not go against the trend.